This video, I'm going to show you how to get 1xBet promo code for betting. So it will be very simple, where you will come and click on registration. So by clicking on registration, you will choose a method. So for example, if I take by email, by taking now by email, I will enter all my information from here. So by going down, you will come up to promo code, where you will enter the promo code BOTV, whereby it will help you to get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit. So meaning that if you have an amount of $10, for example, you will obtain and gain up till $30. And then when everything is set and done, you will just accept all the terms and conditions and click on register. But note that you can also apply it on other forms of registration. Like for example, if you go through by phone, by going to phone, you will just enter just those information like your phone number, code, currency, and also enter back once more the promo code BOTV. Then when everything is set now, you will now click on register. So now by doing so, you will now select a match. For example, if you want to bet, if I should take this match which is already playing, so by clicking on right on it, I will just select the betting tip that I want to. So for example, if I take win 2 here and I click on it, now you will see that by putting the amount of money you want before clicking on bet, you will just come here to promo at the middle. By clicking on promo, you will just enter back the promo code BOTV here, so that it should apply on the bet that you have put. And now you will just click on bet and you will see that the promo code will be applied.